Hello English learner, welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning Master English fast and efficient. The Warrior and the Princess. Once upon a time, in a vast and prosperous kingdom, there lived a brave warrior named Leo. He was known throughout the land for his strength, courage, and loyalty to the king. From a young age, Leo trained tirelessly in sword fighting, archery, and horseback riding. He became the kingdom's finest warrior, protecting its people from danger. The kingdom was ruled by a wise and just king who had a beautiful daughter, Princess Elena. She was kind-hearted, intelligent, and loved by all. Many noblemen and princes sought her hand in marriage, but she wished to marry only for love, not power or wealth. The battle for the kingdom. One fateful day, a powerful enemy army, led by a ruthless warlord named General Varkas, marched toward the kingdom. They wanted to conquer the land and overthrow the king. The people trembled with fear, for Varkas had never lost a battle. The king summoned Leo to the palace and said, "Leo, my bravest warrior, our kingdom is in danger. You must lead our army and protect my people and my daughter." Leo knelt before the king and replied, "I will fight with all my strength, your majesty. I will not let our kingdom fall." Leo gathered the royal army and prepared for battle. The war was fierce, with swords clashing and arrows flying through the air. Leo fought with unmatched skill, cutting down enemy soldiers and inspiring his men to fight harder. After days of battle, Leo confronted General Varkas. "You are strong, warrior," Varkas said, "but you cannot defeat me." Leo raised his sword and replied, "I fight not for power, but for my people and my kingdom." After a long and intense duel, Leo struck the final blow, defeating Varkas. With their leader gone, the enemy army fled in fear. The war was over and the kingdom was safe once more. The reward of a warrior. The people cheered for Leo, celebrating his bravery. The king invited him to the palace and said, "You have saved us all, Leo. Ask for any reward and it shall be yours." Leo, though deeply in love with Princess Elena, did not speak of his feelings. Instead, he humbly said, "My only wish is to continue serving you and protecting this kingdom." Hearing this, Princess Elena stepped forward. She had watched Leo from afar, admiring his courage and kindness. "Father," she said, "there is no one in the kingdom as brave, noble, and kind as Leo."
"I love him and I wish to marry him."
The king was surprised but saw the love in his daughter's eyes. He looked at Leo and asked, "Do you love my daughter?" Leo hesitated for a moment, then nodded. "With all my heart, your majesty, but I am just a warrior." The king smiled. "A true warrior is not measured by his birth but by his heart. You have proven yourself worthy. You shall marry my daughter and become a prince. Happily ever after." The kingdom rejoiced as Princess Elena and Leo were married in a grand celebration. The people cheered, knowing their future king was not only strong but also kind and just. Leo and Elena ruled the kingdom with wisdom and love, protecting their people and ensuring peace for many years. And so, the warrior and the princess lived happily ever after. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips, and we will put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below if have some question. See you on the next video.